Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Journey. In this video, we are going to see how to upload your code or project from your local machine to a GitHub using Git Bash. Before do that, you must install Git Bash on your PC. Also, you need valid GitHub account. Then open Git Bash. First, you have to give your Git username and email to Git Bash. First, give your name git config space -- global space user.name. Then enter your GitHub name. My name is Journey Tech. Then give your GitHub email here, user.email. Press enter. After giving those, you have to create repository on your GitHub account. Go to Google and then go to your GitHub account. Then click plus icon in right top. It's direct to the create new repository page. Now you can give your project name here. Here you can select public or private. If you choose public, anyone on internet can see this repository. I will leave it public. Then click create repository. After creating repository, you have repository link like this. Then go to your Git Bash again. Then you have to give path to clone that repository. I will going to clone this on my desktop. cd space desktop. Then clone it by giving git clone and copy this URL, paste it here. After cloning, there will be a folder name having that repository name. In my case, it is sample. Then you have to go inside that folder, copy name from here, then type cd space paste that name, then press enter. Then you have to add your source file inside that folder. Go to your repository, my source file inside that. I'm going to copy that all the files and paste inside that folder. Let's copy now. After finishing that, go again git bash and run git status. It shows the untracked files and folders. By running git add, you can track those things. Then you have to run git add space button. It start to add files. It will take some time depending on your size of your source file. Now it's okay. Then run commit here, git commit -m. Inside the double quotation, add your commit. My commit is at sample project. Then press enter. Okay. Then run git push -origin -master. It start to writing. It also take few minutes. It's finish writing. Now you can see your source file in that repository on GitHub. Refresh. This is the source code and this is the commit I have gave, and all the git command I will put in the video description. If you have any problem, you can comment it below. I'll reply as soon as possible. If you want to see more content like this, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.